Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Well, you all look great today. Tolong dibuka kameranya semuanya. Bisa biar Miss lihat muka-mukanya semuanya. Okay. All right, students. Today, we are going to study English. Please prepare your backpack textbooks, backpack workbooks, and your pencils. Okay. Persiapkan buku backpacknya, backpack textbooknya, kemudian backpack workbook, dan pensil. And sekali lagi, untuk chat yang tidak perlu itu, ya nggak usah ya, tidak perlu. Tidak perlu chat yang tidak ada sangkut pautnya dengan pelajaran. Alright, kita mulai sekarang. Now students, please open your textbook. Open page 42, Unit 4. Kita halaman 42, Unit 4. This one. Oke, untuk sementara akan mute-kan semuanya. Jadi biar kita bisa fokus pada pelajaran kita saja. Okay, now please take a look at the screen that I'm going to share here. Excuse me, one moment. Can you see now? Sudah bisa lihat screen-nya? Itu kameranya dibuka ya. Hello students. Coba buka kamera semua. Oke. Janice Willin. Bisa dengar, Miss? Sudah bisa lihat screen-nya di sini? Coba angkat jempolnya semuanya, kalau bisa lihat. Okay, good. Now, look here, Unit 4. Unit 4. This is grammar. We are going to discuss about grammar here. Now I'm going to read the words in the green box. Listen. We will find life on another planet. We won't find life on another planet. Now look at the words in bold. Lihat kata yang bercetak tebal. Will and won't. Let me tell you what is won't. Won't means will not. Oke, kita lihat kata yang dicatat tebal, will dengan won't. Won't itu artinya will not, tidak akan. Now, will and won't, it shows that when you use will and won't, it means you are very sure about the thing. That's why you use this. Ketika kamu menggunakan will dengan won't, artinya kamu sangat yakin bahwa kejadian ini akan terjadi. Maka kamu menggunakan will atau won't. Nah, ada yang kata yang lain seperti may, could, might. You use these models. Kamu menggunakan models ini when you are not very sure about this. Or you can say it is possible to happen. Possible to happen, maybe happen, maybe not. Kamu menggunakan may, menggunakan could, menggunakan might ketika kamu merasa kalau kejadian ini mungkin akan terjadi. Ya, bisa terjadi, bisa juga tidak. Possible, kemungkinan saja. Oke. Look here. This all shows things in the future. Menunjukkan hal-hal yang akan terjadi di masa depan. Artinya tidak, masih belum terjadi ya, akan terjadi. Okay, this is what you are going to learn in grammar. For the grammar models, will not, may, could, and might. All right, students, let's go directly to part 7. Now prepare your pencils. Persiapkan pensilnya. Part 7, write the correct answer in your notebook. Kamu tulis jawaban yang benar. Di sini saja. Kamu lingkari saja. Just circle the answers. Lingkari saja jawabannya yang menurut kamu benar. Let's discuss. Let's see number 1. We, will, or could all be 1 year older next year. Kita semua akan berumur 1 tahun lebih tua tahun depan. Pasti atau tidak pasti? Sure to happen or not very sure? Jelas pasti ya. Itu hal yang sudah pasti terjadi. Memang belum terjadi, tapi itu pasti akan terjadi. Therefore, we circle will. Oleh karena itu, kita lingkari will, not could. We will. Okay. Now, solar cars might not or won't cause air pollution. Solar cars mungkin tidak or won't cause air pollution, menyebabkan polusi udara. Nah, pasti, apakah itu pasti akan terjadi? Might not or won't? Which one? Kalau menggunakan solar cars, jelas tidak ya. Tidak akan menyebabkan polusi udara. So we circle won't. Kita lingkari won't. Ingat dilingkari ya. Sekali. Number 3, plastic smart cards will or might contain the user's medical information. Plastic smart cards belum terjadi, oke. Nah, apakah ini pasti atau tidak? Contain the user's medical information. Plastic smart card itu sesuatu kartu yang terbuat dari plastik dan sangat smart. Smart artinya itu bisa digunakan untuk banyak hal. Yes, Felicia Queen, what is wrong? Focus on your study. Alright. Fokus ya. Contain the user's medical information. Itu berisikan medical information, informasi medis tentang si penggunanya. Oke, informasi tersebut. Nah, apakah itu pasti atau tidak? Itu tidak pasti. So we use might. Plastic smart cards might. Mungkin. Mungkin iya, mungkin tidak. Please circle might. Lingkari might. Okay, next. Hypersonic airplanes will or may fly faster than the speed of sound. Pasti atau tidak pasti atau mungkin? Pasti. Hypersonic aeroplanes will fly faster than the speed of sound. Please circle the word will. Okay, circle the word will. Now, number 5. There is a 50% chance of rain tomorrow. 50%. Hanya 50% saja. Berarti mungkin terjadi atau sudah pasti terjadi? Kemungkinannya 50. Jelas itu mungkin. It could rain. Tidak pasti ya. Tidak pasti hujan. Dan you circle could. Once again, I repeat. There is a 50% chance of rain tomorrow. It could rain. Right? Now you see part 8 here. Bagian 8. Write a prediction about the future for each picture. There are 5 pictures here. Ada 5 gambar di sini. Kemudian kamu tuliskan prediksi. Kemungkinan yang akan terjadi di masa depan. Use will. Boleh gunakan will. Boleh kamu gunakan could. Boleh gunakan may or might. And the words in the box. The words in the box are to help you. Semua kata-kata di dalam kotak ini untuk membantu kamu. Okay, to help you. Okay, let's start. Number 1. Number 1, you see the picture of a astronaut. Can anybody know how to answer this? Ingat ya, ini boleh jawaban kalian boleh bervariasi. Your answers may be very many, very various. Okay, itu boleh. Answers may be vary. So let's see. Number 1, people. Coba ditulis, coba diikuti. Jika tidak bisa, tidak apa-apa. Just listen. People might go to the moon for their holidays. Orang-orang mungkin akan pergi ke bulan untuk holidays, untuk ya liburan. Okay, who knows? And then number 2, there's a robot. People or robots. Robots could clean. Robots could clean our house. Robots could clean our houses. Boleh ditulis ya. Jika mau tulis, silakan ditulis. Robots could clean our houses. Okay, let's see picture 3. You can see many cars here. Many cars. Okay, cars will run. Once again, I say cars will run on solar power. Cars will run on solar power. Okay, number 4, picture 4. There is a picture of a book and the sign of cross here. Then we can say books. Start from books might disappear. Books might disappear. Okay. The last picture, there is a picture of a dog. And not only a dog, you can see small thing around its neck. It is written there GPS. So what can you say here? Dogs will have GPS chips. So we will not lose them. Again, I say dogs will have GPS chips. Here, GPS. So we will not lose them. Okay, don't worry if you miss any of the sentences. I will surely give you the answer keys later. Pasti akan saya kasihkan answer key-nya ya. Okay, students. Okay, now I would like you to all turn to page 44. Silakan buka halaman 44. Okay, look here. Tomorrow, the e-zine of the future. What is e-zine here? E-zine means electronic magazine. That means the magazines that you can only see it on the internet. Majalah elektronik. Artinya majalah itu bisa kamu lihat di internet saja dengan koneksi internet. We call it e-zine. The e-zine of the future. Now look here, foods in our future. Makanan di masa depan, kira-kira seperti apa? Okay, let your imagination run wild. Okay, silakan diimajinasikan saja ya. Okay, let's start now. How about chocolate milk straight from the cow? Or an onion that won't make you cry when you cut it? How about spinach that tastes like strawberries or chips? Oke, kira-kira di masa depan bagaimana itu susu coklat? Apakah langsung dari kerbaunya, sapinya? Susu coklatnya langsung diperah dari sapinya? What do you think? Look at the picture here. Langsung dari sapinya, oke? Or an onion that won't make you cry when you cut it, ataupun bawang yang tidak akan membuat kamu nangis ketika kamu memotongnya. Mungkinkah itu terjadi? How about spinach that tastes like strawberries or chips? Gimana dengan spinach bayam yang rasanya seperti strawberries? Bayam rasa strawberry atau rasa chips, keripik kentang? Is it possible to happen? Mungkinkah itu akan terjadi? Well, who knows? Now, let's start. These foods may be in our future. Makanan seperti ini mungkin akan ada di masa depan. Thanks to the scientists who work with the DNA and genes found in the cells of any living thing. Berterima kasihlah kepada saintis, para ahli yang bekerja dengan DNA dan gen yang ditemukan di setiap sel makhluk hidup. Okay, here's the cell, here's the gene. You can see the picture of DNA here. I'm not going to tell you more about DNA because that takes a long time for that. DNA, we have it in our body all. Okay, semuanya pasti ada di tubuh masing-masing. Now, these tiny genes control what we look like and how we grow. Nah, benda-benda kecil seperti ini yang mengontrol bagaimana kita kelihatan, seperti apakah kita, dan bagaimana kita tumbuh. Here, this one. We can work with genes to change living things such as fruits, vegetables, and animals. Kita bisa bekerja with genes dengan gen untuk mengubah living things, untuk mengubah makhluk hidup, seperti di sini seperti fruits, buah-buahan, vegetable, sayur-sayuran, dan binatang. Bisa kita ubah, artinya bisa kita ubahlah maunya seperti apa. Dengan cara mengubah gennya, mengubah gen, kemudian mengubah DNA yang ada di dalam sel kita. In the future, the world will have a much bigger population. In the future, di masa yang akan datang, di masa depan, the world will have a much bigger population. Populasi di dunia akan bertambah lebih banyak, lebih besar. We may need to make changes in animals and plants to grow more food. Kita mungkin perlu untuk membuat sedikit perubahan pada binatang, kemudian pada tanaman untuk to grow more food, untuk mendapatkan lebih banyak makanan. Karena populasi semakin banyak, jelas kita perlu makanan yang lebih banyak lagi. For example, contohnya, potatoes cannot grow in very cold places. Yang namanya kentang itu tidak bisa tumbuh di tempat-tempat yang dingin. Some fish have genes that allow them to live in very cold water. Beberapa jenis ikan memiliki gen yang bisa membuat mereka hidup di air yang sangat dingin. Scientists might take this fish gene, again I said, scientists might take this fish gene. Para ahli mungkin akan mengambil gen dari ikan tersebut, jenis ikan yang bisa bertahan hidup di air dingin, for cold tolerance, ya karena mereka bisa bertahan di tempat yang dingin ya, for cold tolerance, and transfer it. Kemudian mentransferkannya, memindahkannya to a potato, ke kentang. Okay, then potatoes could grow in very cold places, sehingga kentang tersebut bisa hidup di tempat yang dingin and help feed people around the world, dan kemudian membantu memberi makan orang-orang di seluruh dunia. However, akan tetapi, some people think that changing the genes in living things is not a good idea. Bahwa mengubah gen di dalam tubuh makhluk hidup itu bukanlah sebuah ide yang baik. Okay, they are worried, mereka khawatir, that there may be unknown risk. Mereka khawatir akan resiko-resiko yang belum mereka ketahui. Efek samping lah istilahnya. Okay, side effects, which may affect our health or the environment in the future. Yang bisa saja beresiko pada kesehatan kita, kemudian kepada lingkungan kita in the future, di masa depan. What do you think? Bagaimana menurut kamu? Okay, this is it. Until page 45 for the students book. Sorry, 44. All right. All right, students, any questions so far? No questions? Good. Now, as usual, please take out your workbook. Keluarkan workbook, student's book, backpack workbook. Open unit 4. Buka unit 4. Page 39, halaman 39. Students, please mark the parts that I want you to do. Tandai bagian-bagian yang saya ingin kalian kerjakan. Mark part 3, tandai bagian 3. Part 4, 4A, and 4B, 4A dan 4B. Once again, I repeat, you mark part 3, tandai bagian 3. 4A, 4A, 4B, 4B, and part 5, bagian 5. 3, 4A, 4B, dan 5. Okay. Now, look at the screen here. For part 3, let me explain to you how to do it. Look, it is about grammar. Cars will run on solar power. We won't have jet-powered trainers. Again, will and won't, we use them when we are very sure about the things. Ketika kita sangat yakin kalau akan terjadi, hal tersebut akan terjadi. Now, we use may. We may have robots to clean our houses. We may have cars that can fly. We could find life on Mars. We use may, might, and could when we are not very sure or it is possible to happen. Kita gunakan may, might, atau could ketika kita tidak yakin kalau hal tersebut akan terjadi. Artinya, bisa iya, bisa tidak. And the last, there couldn't be life on Pluto. Couldn't. Use couldn't when you think it is impossible to happen. Gunakan couldn't jika kamu pikir kalau hal tersebut tidak mungkin akan terjadi. Quite simple, huh? Okay, you look here. Let's see part 3. Write sentences. Tulis kalimat. Give your opinion about life in 2050. Berikan opini kalian mengenai kehidupan di tahun 2050. Use will, gunakan will, won't, may, might, could, or couldn't. Silakan gunakan kata-kata ini, modals. I can give you 1 or 2 examples, but I would want you to do the rest later on. Number 1, travel in cars and planes driven by computers. You can start with people. Silakan dimulai dengan kata people. Okay. Kira-kira travel in cars and planes driven by computers, kemungkinan terjadinya itu seberapa besar? Mungkinkah terjadi in the future? In the future. Mungkin terjadi. Okay, let's see. Possible to happen. So people might travel. Use the word might. Like this one. This is how to write might. Ini cara menulis might-nya. People might travel in cars and planes driven by computers. Please write the rest. Tulis saja selanjutnya. Once again, I repeat. Start with people. Dimulai dengan kata people. And then might travel in cars and planes driven by computers. Now, how do we decide? Sekarang pertanyaan. Kayak mana kita memutuskan kalau ini pasti terjadi, mungkin terjadi, atau sama sekali nggak mungkin terjadi? Ada yang tahu? Alright, let me tell you. This kind of things, okay. Ini jawaban untuk bagian 3 ini. Ini tidak ada jawaban yang pasti. Artinya, semuanya tergantung kalian. Oke, kadang-kadang jawabannya bisa lebih dari 1. Oke, because it is in the future, it is life in the future. There is no a certain thing. Tidak ada hal yang pasti akan terjadi. Seperti will or will not. Oke, may, might, couldn't, could, and then this, especially this couldn't. Kalau merasa tidak mungkin ya tidak mungkin. Artinya tidak ada yang benar sekali atau salah sama sekali di sini ya. Alright? Bisa dimengerti? Stewart, do you understand? Stewart 6G. Just give me a thumbs up if you understand. Ngerti, Stewart? Okay, good. Okay, let's see number 2. I'll give you one more example for number 2. Travel underwater in cars. How possible is it? Seberapa mungkinkah ini terjadi? Well, considering we have submarine now, kita ada kapal selam, ya mungkin saja terjadi ya. Okay, start your sentence with people. Dimulai dengan kata people. People will travel underwater in cars. People will travel underwater in cars. Felicia Queen, 6B. I want your attention here. Fokus ke Miss ya. Felicia Queen. Okay, thank you. Okay, 3 to number 10. Please do it by yourself. And let me remind you one thing. The subject is not always people. You can change it become we. Boleh diganti menjadi we. Nggak harus semuanya people ya. Bisa itu we. We have robots to cook. Okay, we will or we might. Understand? Boleh diganti. Coba saja dikerjakan. Nanti akan Miss berikan answer-nya. Okay, let's move to 4. Excuse me. 4A. Write 8 questions. Use do you think? Number 1 has been done for you. The answer is yes, we will find life on Mars. So you form the question with do you think we will find life on Mars? This is what you write here. Quite easy. For 4A, it's very easy. Number 2, the answer is yes, we'll all have robots. Then how you form the question? Start with do you think? Start all the questions with do you think? Do you think? After do you think? You continue with this. Kamu lanjut dengan we will all have robots? Question mark. Easy, right? Mudah ya? Semuanya dimulai dengan do you think? Number 3, do you think we will all have GPS chips in the future? Question mark. All right. Now let's see 4B. Write questions. Use how will. Start all the questions here using how will. Dimulai pertanyaannya dengan menggunakan how will. Semuanya dimulai dengan how will. For example, number 1, we might have robots to cook our meals in the year 2020. How will, start with how will we cook? How will we cook? We cook our meals in the year 2020, question mark. Okay, number 2, how will we pay for things? How will we pay for things? Question mark. Okay. Okay, the last, do the crossword puzzle. That's it. Okay. Now, our time left is 1 minute. Any questions? Ada pertanyaan? Oh, no, miss. That's good. Try to do the exercises that I asked you to do. Okay, students, let's end the meeting for today. See you again next meeting. Goodbye.